If your friend has sent you an update and you want to perform the same workouts that they have at your own level, click on the file that was shared to you. This file was shared from a story. If you scroll to the right, you will be able to see the progress and the amount of weight compared to the total workout. If you keep scrolling, you'll be seeing all the other movements that were performed. Once you are ready to start the same workout or save it for yourself, on the bottom left, click on the share button. Open an app. Once here, you're able to see the movements and the workouts. Click on Add. You'll be directed to the customized plans, and you will see it here. Arm Saturday workout. Double check that all your movements has a max. Otherwise, the percentage will not be able to adjust. If you want to perform any changes, you are able to do so. As an example, I want to make sure that I'm moving this in 15 pounds. 15 pounds is 46% for myself. Once you are done, click on Done, and it should save. Remember, if you want to start the workout, you have to start it from Plans and clicking on the workout itself. And boom, that's how you get started the same workout that your friend has done.